it's Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. And today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 18. And we are making these awesome Pac-Man shirts for my girls at work to wear for Halloween. Now, if you'll give us a moment, I'll show you how we put these together. Here I have my shirt laid out, and this is Pinky from the Pac-Man game. I've already stuck down the white and black on that one, but I will show you the others. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the blue one, which is Inky. We just thought this would be something cute to do for Halloween. You know, have a bit of fun. There we go. And I figured y'all might want to see it, so we did it. But these are so super simple to put together. So again, layout our t-shirt guide. I am using a 15-inch because we have a 15-inch press. Lining up the eyeballs, which again is very easy to do because they are symmetrical. Grab my Teflon sheet. Cover, and we're going to heat this for about 5 to 7 seconds just to get it stuck. There we go. Now I'm probably not going to show all of these on camera because that would be quite boring, but I figured I would show you how to do it. Like I'll do that and I'll do the Mrs. Pac-Man shirt so that way you'll see a ghost and a Pac-Man. Now, and this one is not going to be one that is going to be available on the website because since Pac-Man are trademarked characters, we cannot sell these. So you have to be a $4 or more a month patron to get access to all of these that are licensed. Okay, now we're heating it for another 15 seconds. And the heat press is set to 330 degrees. There we go. So now we're going to go ahead and remove that clear plastic sheet. And when we reheat it, the line from where that clear plastic sheet went will disappear. And again, we will heat this for 15 seconds. Hey, Cam, why don't you lay that on the mannequin?
Okay.
Just don't load it, just lay it.
Like this?
Yeah, just set it up there. Because I need you to grab one of the yellow shirts. Cameron is here helping me today. You'll get to see him in a minute. Okay, so take that. And then we did oversize these shirts for us and the girls so that way we can wear leggings with it because we're all going to wear black leggings. And I'm going to wear red Converse because I am Mrs. Pac-Man. Mary is Pac-Man. And all the girls have that work up at the front have their own ghost. So we've got Miss Lori is going to be Clyde. Nadia is Blinky. Brandy's Inky. And Nikki is going to be Pinky. Because she's like me and her favorite color is pink.
There you go.
Okay, so now what I'm doing is for the Pac-Man design, I'm lining up the eye and we're centering the eye because we want this design to actually go closer to the side seam. We don't want it just in the center. And then we have enough room for Mrs. Pac-Man's bow. So, cover with the Teflon sheet. And again, this is a 2-color design as well. We just decided to do her bow in glitter because, well, I like glitter. But yeah, it seemed to work out well that we had enough people to do this costume with at the shop. Okay, so now I'm going to take and cover with the red glitter. There's a piece stuck on here. Cameron weeded this for me. So it's all kinds of janky.
Really? Not the best, but
I gotta scoot that down some. because that is going to go on the collar a little bit, but I think it'll still be cute. So cover. Now we're going to do this for 15 seconds, and because this is a Halloween costume, I don't mind it being a little high, but because we don't want it to be super low on Mary's either, because Mr. Pac-Man doesn't have a bow, so she's got more height to her. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and peel off that clear plastic. And 15 seconds and she will be done. But I mean, it's just that easy. And this Tussie heat press they sent me off of Amazon. I do have a video with a review over it. It works beautifully, and I love this handle on the end. Okay, now give me a moment and we'll go over everything we just did. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. If you do,
Subscribe
and
hit the notification bell
and
give it a big thumbs up.
yes. Remember, all the supplies we used in today's video are available on our website, which is www.cuttincornersvinyl.com. Stand still. It's hard for the camera to focus. Anyways, and the files are available on Patreon for our $4 or more a month patrons. But don't forget to check us out on all of our social media.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
Yep. So we will see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye.
Bye.